How to factory reset AirPod Pro 4. Open up your AirPods, and if you see this kind of pop-up, and make sure you're disconnect with your AirPods, go to setting and AirPods. Simply forgot this device. Forgot this device. Then you can see this kind of pop-up. Now you can see your white light is enabled. Now simply turn off and turn on again, and on, 2, 3. Then you can see red light is coming. Now it's resetting. So once white light is again come, now turn off again and turn on again. Now here you can see the connection. Press on connect. Now it's easily connect with your iPhone. And if you are using the AirPods Pro, you can see the button. You need to press and hold like that, turn on like that, and press and hold this button 15 seconds. Then your AirPods Pro also resetting. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.